and welcome to the Freelance channel. My name is Florante, and in today's video, we're going to talk about taxes. Yes, it's the first month of the year and we're already talking about taxes. Well, the reason why we're going to talk about taxes today is because just a few days from now will be the deadline for the payment of your BIR registration. So if you haven't paid your BIR registration, if you haven't submitted or filed for your renewal of registration, then join me in this video because I'm going to show you the process or the step-by-step process on how you can file a renewal of your BIR registration. Now, please take note that if you haven't installed eBIRForms, there is another video that we have created which you can watch and see how it's being done or where you can get the link to download. Alright, so without further ado, let's go ahead. I'll go ahead and show you how to use eBIRForms so you can submit renewal of registration for the year 2020.
Alright, the first step in filing or filling out your eBIR form is to complete the profile information. So you just have to fill out the TIN number, the RDO code, and the rest of the information required. From the list of BIR forms, choose BIR form 0605 and then click on fill up. Okay, on the payment form, the first thing that you need to take for number 1 is calendar. So just choose calendar, and that will also automatically pre-fill number 2, which is the year ended. For number 3, you can go ahead and skip number 3 and proceed to number 4, which is the due date. So the due date for renewal is January 31st, 2020. And you have to make sure that you file on or before the due date so you can avoid the different penalties and charges. For number 5, you can also skip that one and then proceed to number 6, which is ATC or the alphanumeric tax code. Now you can go ahead and click on the hyperlink, and then from the list, scroll down and choose MC180, which is registration for VAT or non-VAT taxpayers, and then click OK. The return period for the renewal of registration is the next that you will have to fill out, and that will be December 31, 2020. For tax type, again, this is a clickable link. Then go ahead and choose RF or registration fee from the list. Scroll down to the bottom and then click OK. For the manner of payment, you will have to choose others. So under voluntary payment or number 17, you just type in annual registration renewal in the text field. Then you can skip the next section and then proceed number 18, which is the type of payment, and then choose full payment. Number 19, the renewal fee is 500. So type in the text field 500. And once you have provided all the details in the required fields, you can go ahead and click on validate. When everything is checked and all the details are accurate, go ahead and click on submit. And on your submission, be sure that you have an internet connection, and then click on OK for the terms of service. You will receive a notification email on the registered email address that you have provided in the profile section in the first part of the filling out of the form. Once you have completed all these steps, the next thing that you need to do is to go ahead and make your payment either through your authorized agent bank, or you can also make use of different online options like DBP PayTax and GCash, as well as Unionbank's Eon app. So that's it on how to submit and file your 0605 for the annual registration renewal. My name is Florante, and thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Hit that bell button so you get notified every time we have a new upload. Once again, live the dream life without leaving the home.